In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track progress with Google Forms and pivot tables in Google Sheets on desktop. By the end, you'll know how to collect data with a form, send it straight to a spreadsheet, and turn that information into a clear snapshot of progress using a pivot table. To start, create a Google form that acts as your data entry tool. Open Google Forms in your desktop browser and start a blank form. Give it a descriptive title and add the questions you need for tracking, such as a task name, a status field like Not Started, In Progress, or Done, an owner or category, and any numeric fields you want to summarize, such as hours or points. Use drop-downs or multiple-choice answers where possible to keep responses consistent, and mark important questions as required so your data stays clean. Next, link the form to a Google Sheet so every response lands in a spreadsheet automatically. In the Form Editor, go to the Responses tab, make sure responses are being accepted, and click the green Sheets icon to create a new spreadsheet or connect to an existing one. This link ensures that each submission becomes a new row, complete with a timestamp. Now, open the Responses sheet in Google Sheets on your desktop. You'll see a tab, usually named Form Responses 1, with each question as a column. Take a quick look to confirm your headers look correct and that the timestamp is capturing when each entry came in. Avoid editing this tab directly, since the form controls it. With the data ready, build your pivot table. In the Spreadsheet menu, click Insert, then Pivot Table. Choose the Form Responses tab as your data range. The default selection typically includes all current and future rows, which is ideal. For clarity, place the pivot table in a new sheet. In the Pivot Table Editor, start adding rows, values, and filters to track progress. For example, add status to rows to list each status category, and add task or owner beneath it if you want a detailed breakdown. In values, choose a field to summarize, such as a count of task to see how many items you have, or a sum of hours if you're tracking effort. Use filters to limit by date, owner, or category. You can sort highest to lowest, show totals, and group the timestamp by day, week, or month to see trends over time. As new form responses come in, your pivot updates automatically. Refresh if needed. That's it. Create the form, link it to Sheets, open the responses, insert a pivot table, select the range, and customize rows, values, and filters to monitor progress with clarity.